Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best mini couch is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving furniture pieces you can add to your home, especially if you live in a smaller apartment or dorm room. It offers a comfortable seating solution without taking up too much precious floor space, making it ideal for nooks, reading corners, or even as an accent piece in a larger living area. Imagine transforming a tight corner into a cozy spot for one or two, perfect for enjoying a book, a cup of coffee, or a quick chat with a friend, all while maintaining a stylish and uncluttered look in your living space. Number 5. Bedsure ComfyFleece Cat Couch. Featured on Good Day New York, this pet couch offers higher sides to help anxious pets feel secure. The high backrest creates a comforting nest-like feeling, providing optimal head and neck support for relaxation. Experience balanced comfort with our unique filling mix. This ensures the bed remains fluffy and highly supportive without flattening over time. It's perfect for pets of various sizes to enjoy restful naps. Made with super soft faux fur, this couch provides luxurious warmth for autumn and winter. Beyond a simple bed, its design seamlessly blends with your indoor furniture, making it a beautiful gift. Designed with an anti-slip bottom, this pet couch ensures your pet's safety and stability. It prevents unwanted movement, providing a secure resting space for your furry companion. This pet couch comes with an easy-to-remove cover, making deep cleaning a breeze. Simply machine wash and tumble dry to keep the bed fresh and hygienic for your pet. What we like. This pet couch offers a supportive, nest-like design for anxious pets. Its balanced filling ensures lasting fluffiness and support. If you have a pet that needs a secure and comfortable spot to relax, this is a great choice for them. It's also easy to clean, making it a practical option for pet owners. What people say. The mini couch is incredibly soft and comfortable, perfect for lounging. Its compact size makes it ideal for small apartments or as an accent piece. The durable fabric holds up well to daily use and is easy to clean. Number 4. FILUXE Folding Sofa Bed. Discover the FILUXE Folding Sofa Bed, designed for your ultimate comfort. Effortlessly convert it from a stylish chair to a cozy bed in seconds. Experience cloud-like comfort with our high-density foam that maintains its shape and support for years. The breathable linen fabric is gentle and durable, with a washable cover for easy care. Say goodbye to back pain. Its adjustable backrest perfectly hugs your body's natural curve, and the included pillow provides targeted lumbar support for hours of comfortable lounging. No assembly required. This convertible chair transforms from a cozy sleeper to a plush chaise or a full mattress in just 1 second, perfect for unexpected guests. Enjoy peace of mind with its reinforced design. Heavy-duty straps keep it stable, and premium zippers are built for long-term, frequent use without snagging. Maximize your living space without compromising comfort. Its compact, foldable design makes it ideal for studios, apartments, dorms, and any area needing flexible seating and sleeping. What we like. This convertible sleeper chair offers instant transformation from a chair to a bed. Its adjustable backrest provides excellent ergonomic support for long lounging sessions. If you're looking for a versatile piece of furniture that can accommodate guests or provide flexible seating in a small apartment or dorm, this is an excellent option. What people say. This mini couch is surprisingly comfortable and the perfect size for my small apartment. The fabric is soft and durable, and it was easy to assemble right out of the box. It looks great in my living room and has held up well with daily use. Number 3. TYBOATLE Sleep Chair Bed. Discover ultimate versatility with this 5-in-1 chair bed. It easily transforms from a comfortable armchair to a chaise lounge, floor chair, sofa bed, or futon mattress, adapting to all your needs. Experience superior comfort with high-quality sponge filling and durable, anti-pilling linen fabric. The machine-washable cover ensures easy maintenance for years of enjoyment. Its compact and minimalist design makes it ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, apartments, or offices. Detachable armrests and legs make it perfect for small spaces. Keep your essentials close at hand with a convenient side pocket. This piece offers both style and practicality for your relaxation space. Built with a robust metal frame supporting up to 450 pounds, it ensures stability and longevity. Non-slip feet protect your floors. Setting it up is a breeze, taking just 5 to 10 minutes for one person. All necessary tools and instructions are included for your convenience. What we like. This chair bed is incredibly versatile, converting into multiple forms like a chaise lounge or a sofa bed. Its compact design makes it ideal for small living spaces. If you need a piece of furniture that can adapt to various needs in a dorm, office, or small apartment, and you appreciate convenient storage for essentials, this is a practical choice. What people say. The couch is very comfortable and the perfect size for my small apartment. I love the modern design of this couch, it really elevates my living room. The fabric is soft and durable, and it's easy to clean. Number 2. TYBOATLE Linen Fabric Modern Small Loveseat Sofa Couch. Discover a sofa with smooth, simple lines and sleek black iron legs, bringing a modern and minimalist aesthetic to your space. It's an ideal choice for various settings, offering style and versatility. Experience ultimate comfort with its breathable linen fabric and high-density sponge. This sofa is designed for relaxation, featuring skin-friendly material that resists deformation and pilling. Maintenance is a breeze thanks to the removable and washable sofa cover. Keep your seating fresh and clean with minimal effort. Rest assured with its robust all-iron frame, providing exceptional stability and support. This sofa is built to last, confidently holding between 400 to 600 pounds. Its compact size makes it a perfect fit for apartments, bedrooms, dorms, or offices. Enjoy stylish and comfortable seating without sacrificing space. Setting up your new sofa is quick and easy. With our clear instructions, you can have it assembled in just 15 to 25 minutes. What we like. This Loveseat features a sleek, modern design with a sturdy iron frame, making it a stylish and durable addition to any small space. Its comfortable and breathable linen fabric is also easy to maintain with a removable cover. If you're looking for a chic and practical sofa for your apartment, bedroom, or office that offers both style and easy cleaning, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. The mini couch is surprisingly comfortable for its size, providing adequate support for sitting. Its compact design makes it perfect for small spaces, easily fitting into corners or alongside other furniture. The material used is durable and easy to clean, which is a great practical feature for everyday use. Number 1. Best Choice Products Upholstered Sectional Sofa, Blue-Gray. This sofa offers a modular design with an independent ottoman. You can place it on either side to create a versatile chaise lounger that fits your space perfectly. Its attractive and multi-purpose design makes it ideal for various rooms. Use it in your living room, college dorm, or even your home office. Crafted with super soft fabric and a sturdy wood frame, it ensures lasting comfort for you and your guests. Designed for compact areas, it comfortably seats up to 3 people and supports up to 680 pounds. Enjoy its space-saving yet heavy-duty design. Assemble it in as little as 15 minutes with our tool-free design. Simply align the brackets, screw pieces together, and add the cushions for instant comfort. What we like. This sectional sofa offers a modular L-shaped design with a reversible ottoman, allowing for a versatile chaise lounger configuration. It's crafted with soft fabric and a sturdy wood frame, providing comfortable seating for up to 3 people. If you need a flexible seating solution for a compact living room, dorm, or bonus room and appreciate quick, easy assembly, this sofa is a great fit. What people say. The mini couch is surprisingly comfortable for its size, providing adequate support for sitting. Its compact design makes it perfect for small spaces, easily fitting into corners or as an accent piece. The upholstery is durable and easy to clean, holding up well against spills and daily use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.